Let's say you're giving your client a razor line and then boom, you accidentally cut them. So what do you do next? Stay tuned and find out. Always keep a first aid kit near your barber station. You never know when you're going to need it for moments like this. Now you're going to have to move very fast since the client is bleeding. So the first thing you want to do is hurry up and get gloves. You have to treat every blood spill like the person is highly contagious. Quickly open your first aid kit and find a gauze pad. Open it and apply it straight to the cut. And you want to press down with pressure to stop the bleeding. After the bleeding slows, grab some Neosporin and then apply it to the cut. And then lightly smear it into the cut. Then look into the kit and find the Band-Aid that's the appropriate size. And then apply it to the cut. Now that the hard part is out of the way, the next part, which is the disposal, is the most important part of the entire process. Grab your Ziploc bag and put everything that you just used inside of this Ziploc bag, especially the blood. Take the razor blade that you used and put it in a sharps container. If you don't have one of these, you can get one by clicking the link in the description. After you dispose of the razor blade, if you still have blood on any implements that you've used, you can take a gauze pad and wipe away the blood. Be sure to dispose of the towelette that you use. You now have to disinfect your implements in Barbicide solution for at least 10 minutes. Follow the instructions on the back of the bottle. Any implement that has come into any contact with the blood, you have to put this in the solution. At least 10 minutes. Take off your gloves and then put them into the Ziploc bag. Then dispose of the Ziploc bag in a sealed container. Finally, sanitize your hands and then put away the first aid kit. And that's what you do if you accidentally cause a blood spill. And of course, you know you're not getting paid for that haircut. Hey, it happens sometimes.